Good morning. Gently move down. Find comfortable position. Take Shashankasana. And relax your face. Close your eyes. Relax your back. Observe the sounds. Observe your breath. Good. Slowly and gently grow up. Then again, find comfortable position. If you can, sit down on your heels. If you need to use a block, you can place your block between your feet and then sit down on the block. Okay? Shoulders down. Here, check your back. Try to extend your back. Bring your tailbone inside. Okay? So don't arch too much. And then head to the right. And gently stretch your neck. Relax your face. Close your eyes. Move your head to your left. And now again, slowly and gently stretch. Good, and release. Great. Relax your arms. Now work with your neck. Drop your chin down. And slowly bring your chin up. Be careful with your neck. Chin down. Gently move your chin up. Okay. And chin down. And now chin up. Great. And now release. From here, now your chin to the right. Try to look backwards over your right shoulder. Then move your chin to your left. And right. And then left. Good. And now release. From here, shift your weight. Move your block away. Take table pose. And then drop your belly down. Gently arch your back now. Contract your abdomen and look inside. Belly down. Gently arch. And contract your abdomen and look inside. Gently arch. And contract. Great. Flex your feet. Lift your pelvis up. Keep your heels on the floor. Good. And now plank. Up. And plank. Move up. Good. And plank. Move up. Great. Bend your knees. Look forward between your hands and now 2 steps. Okay, beginners, if you need, you can use your blocks. Keep your hands on the blocks. And try to relax your back, relax your shoulders, relax your arms, your hands. Observe the sounds. Observe your breath. Gently stretch. Good. Now arch and look up, face up. Torso down. So now if you need, prepare your blocks, hands on the blocks, and then gently step backwards with your right foot. Small step. Feet on 2 lines. Okay? And try to flat your back. Advanced people, if you want, you can move down deeper. Keep your hands on the floor and then relax your back and your neck. Gently stretch. Okay, so find your level. And observe the sounds. Good. Now your right hand down, left hand up. Open the chest to your left. Parivrita Trikonasana. Observe the sounds. And keep breathing slowly. Left hand down. Bend your right knee. And now from here, push, move your blocks. Okay, so try to keep your blocks and hands under your shoulders. Flat your back again. Right heel up. And you can flex your right foot or you can point your right foot. Okay, so it's up to you. And now find the balance. Gently stretch. Good. Then release. Feet down. Relax your back, relax your neck. Bend your knees. And slowly, gently roll up now. Open the chest, arch your back. And move down to your right, left elbow over your right knee. twist. Connect your hands, hands in front. Face up, look up. Great. And now inhale and open the chest. Move to your left. Connect your hands in front. Look up, face up. And now inhale and open the chest. Hands behind, shoulders down. Extend your elbows. And now torso down forward. Bend your knees. Hands up and inhale. Hands down. If you need, prepare your blocks. And now step backwards with your left foot, okay? Small step again. Keep your feet on two lines. Hands and blocks under your shoulders. Keep breathing slowly. Absorb the sounds, absorb your breath. Left hand down. And now right hand up. Okay, good. And now release. So then from here again, bend your knee, left knee, and then push, move your blocks, your hands forward. So keep them under your shoulders again. Left foot up, and then find the balance. Gently stretch. Strong legs, strong back. Good, okay. And then release. Again, so connect your feet together. Relax your back and your neck. Bend your legs. And from here, slowly and gently roll up, grow up. And now inhale. Open the chest. Okay, move to the left. Right elbow over your left knee. Great. And then hands up. Inhale. Open the chest. Move to the right, left elbow over your right knee. Connect your hands. Good, okay. And slowly, gently grow up. Open. Hands behind. Shoulders down, extend your elbows, and now torso down, forward. Again, gently stretch. Close your eyes, relax your face. Bend your knees. Utkatasana, hands up. And now hands down. Good. 2 steps backward now. Beginners, if you need, use your knees, drop your knees down. And then all together plank, chaturanga. And now again, level 1. Head gently arch. Look up, face up. Level 2. Push your pelvis, push your chest with your arms. Extend your arms. Keep breathing slowly. Knees on the floor. And now bring your pelvis backward. And again, take a rest. Shashankasana. Close your eyes, relax your face. Good. And now grow up. Again, if you need to use a block, sit down on the block. Shoulders down, relax your face. Close your eyes. Focus on your belly. And now slowly inhale, push your belly out. And now exhale, bring your belly in. Inhale, belly out. And now exhale, belly in. Inhale, belly out. Exhale, belly in. Relax your arms, relax your hands, relax your shoulders. Observe your body. Observe your breath. Good, and now gently open your eyes. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.